Hello everyone and welcome back to the lab today. I'm Jay, and today what we're going to do is we're going to upgrade our current 2428 ePO server, and the first thing we do is we're going to download the 1359 update and then the 1739. Now on your screen here we're executing the 1739 first to give you an idea of what would happen. You can see here it says, hey, you can't update it because the cumulative updates have to be applied. So what we're going to need to do is to bring forward the 1359 update first. I'm going to now post my 1359. And we're going to actually do a double upgrade today. We're going to do the 1359, and then when we're done, we're going to jump to the 1739, and that will actually bring us up to date on our ePO server. Okay, with a little movie magic, we've now decompressed everything, and now we're going to execute the 1359 Service Pack 1 update. Go ahead and double click the ePO updater.exe. You're going to put in your password for access to the SQL database, and you can observe all of the items that will be included. This is going to be update 16. And when we select continue and apply these changes, what will happen is the Tomcat service, the Apache, and the event parser, and this mobile plugin service is all going to stop. And we're going to have to wait for them all to stop. Once again, a little movie magic to forward the clock, but it only took a minute or two anyhow. But I've cut this down for your viewing pleasure. And then we're going to have to wait for these three services to start. All right, now that we have actually logged in, you'll notice that we're at 510.4098. And now we're going to go to the 1739 software that we had unzipped earlier and go through the very same process to make us jump to the most current release. Again, we're going to connect. Now you'll notice here it doesn't like the fact that I have an older version of encryption, and I'm going to have to come here and take care of that extension. Now I'm going to update everything here. Now in your environment, what you typically do, if you're going to update the extension, not an issue. If you update the software, you want to make sure you put it into an alternate repository. You don't want to break any of your tasks that might be deploying it. So you'll notice I'm scrolling on down here to the extension for the admin. And then I'm also going to look for the PC extension, which is the software. And I'll make sure that is going to be at least 7.4.2.23 on the lab machine. That way I will make sure that everything is satisfying the requirement for the ePO updater version 1739. Now when we log in here, we shouldn't see any more errors because we got the extension for that one product. So you either remove the product, which you wouldn't do if you're in production. The best thing to do is just upgrade it to the very latest extension. Service Pack 1, Update 4, here's Update 20, Update 19, and all of the other items that were there. A lot of reading, and make sure you read that to assure that maybe you're going to be able to fix some problems that you had that you weren't realizing that you were going to fix. Again, going to wait for these three services to finish starting. Okay, those services are now restarted. Going to click Finish, log into ePO, check out the version. Lower left-hand corner from the menu, down the bottom, click on Menu, and there we are. Service Pack 1 Update 4, 1739. How about that? Now at 4098, which is the latest version, as of February 4, 2025. I'm Jay. Thanks for joining us in the lab today. See you again. Have a good day.